My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Golf. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 22,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control, and on the right we have voice control and heated steering wheel. Moving on to our screen, our 8 main features include radio and media, navigation, our vehicle settings, app connect, help, background, sound and users. Just below we can access our climate control, driver assist and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.